Did you know that most English learners get stuck not because they don't know vocabulary, but because they don't know when to say what? I met a student once who could describe a historical event in perfect English, but couldn't tell me what they had for breakfast. Today we're going to fix that. You'll learn how to speak fluently in past, present, and future tenses using real-life situations. Whether you're a beginner or preparing for the IELTS speaking test, this episode will help you speak naturally, clearly, and confidently. And yes, we've prepared a free printable PDF that includes all the example sentences from today's episode. You can download it, print it, and even share it with your friends. Also, if you're enjoying this course, don't just sit back. Subscribe to this podcast. It's free, it's daily, and it might just change your English forever. Let's begin. I've got Alex with me today. Welcome back, Alex.
Thanks, Emma. I'm really excited about this one. Tenses are the foundation of fluency. Once you master how to move between past, present, and future, you'll speak with clarity and ease in any conversation.
Exactly. So here's what we're covering today. Basic structure of each tense, real-life examples and situations, common mistakes to avoid, practice time with speaking drills, vocabulary boost by Maria at the end. Let's jump in. Segment 1, the 3 tenses, simplified. Let's keep it simple. Past tense, what already happened. Present tense, what is happening now. Future tense, what will happen. Quick structure guide. Past, subject plus verb 2. Example, I walked. Present, subject plus verb 1/verb 1 plus s. Example, I walk/she walks. Future, subject plus will plus verb 1. Example, I will walk. You'll find these example patterns inside the downloadable PDF as well.
Segment 2, real-life tense conversions. Let's take one sentence and change its tense. Base sentence, I eat breakfast. Past, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. Present, I usually eat breakfast around 8. Future, I will eat breakfast early tomorrow.
Let's go deeper. Here are 5 real-world contexts and how they sound in each tense. 1. Talking about your day. Past, yesterday I worked on my project. Present, I'm working on my project now. Future, tomorrow I'll finish my project. 2. Ordering food. Past, I ordered biryani last night. Present, I'm ordering pizza now. Future, I'll order sushi for dinner. 3. Travel plans. Past, we traveled to Warsaw last summer. Present, we're traveling to Krakow now. Future, we'll travel to London next year. 4. IELTS preparation. Past, I studied speaking last week. Present, I'm studying writing today. Future, I'll take a mock test next Monday. 5. Casual conversation. Past, we talked on the phone last night. Present, we're talking right now. Future, we'll talk again after class.
Segment 3, common mistakes to avoid. Here are a few common errors English learners make when using tenses. Mistake 1, mixing past and present forms incorrectly. Incorrect, yesterday I go to market. Correct, yesterday I went to the market. Mistake 2, missing time indicators. Always include clear time references like yesterday, now, or tomorrow to make your meaning clear. Mistake 3, overusing will in every situation. Incorrect, I will going to class now. Correct, I am going to class now.
Segment 4, speak with us. Practice time. Time to repeat and speak with us. This helps build your fluency muscle. Drill 1. Past, I woke up early. Present, I wake up early. Future, I will wake up early. Drill 2. Past, she cooked dinner. Present, she cooks dinner. Future, she will cook dinner. Drill 3. Past, they watched a movie. Present, they are watching a movie. Future, they will watch a movie. Now it's time for our favorite segment, Wordwise with Maria. She's going to explain some of the key vocabulary and phrases we use today. Over to you, Maria. Wordwise with Maria.
Thanks, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Maria, your vocabulary coach here on the English Podcast Show. Let's take a moment to understand some useful words and phrases from today's discussion. These are not only great for your IELTS speaking test, but also in real-life conversations. Accomplished past. I accomplished my goals yesterday, meaning to complete successfully. Currently present. I'm currently reading a novel, meaning at the present time. Intend to future. I intend to start an English blog, meaning to plan or aim. In hindsight. Idiom. Past. In hindsight, I should have joined earlier, meaning looking back and realizing something. Be in the moment. Idiom. Present. I try to be in the moment during conversations, meaning focused on the current time. Willpower. Future. I will need willpower to study consistently, meaning mental strength and discipline. Used to past. I used to struggle with pronunciation, meaning past habit or condition that changed. Look forward to future. I look forward to my next lesson, meaning to be excited about something upcoming. Just now. Present. I finished the assignment just now, meaning a short moment ago. By tomorrow. Future. I will complete the task by tomorrow, meaning deadline expression. And remember, practice makes progress. Try using just 3 of these phrases today. Don't aim for perfection, aim for communication.
You've just unlocked one of the biggest keys to fluency, mastering the ability to speak across past, present, and future. Here's your challenge for the day. Write 1 sentence in each tense and share it in the comment section, or send it to a friend learning English. Also, don't forget to download today's PDF. It has all the structures, examples, and vocabulary we've discussed. And if you know someone preparing for IELTS or struggling to speak fluently, share this episode with them. Tomorrow is day 18, and we're diving into something very practical: how to give presentation in English, whether you are studying in college, university, or an employee. Don't miss it. That's all from today's episode of the English Podcast Show. Stay consistent, stay confident, and keep speaking English every single day. See you next time. Bye.